The horror genre magnifies the hateful and corrupt nature of humans, exaggerating despicable behavior to the extremes, and visually depicting such corruption through their outward appearance. A corrupt inside is reflected and magnified on the outside. In the horror genre, the writer would explore just how horrible can they actually be.
Had you not been so selfish, your little girlfriend's death would have been quick and painless, but now that you've really pissed me off, I'm gonna finish her nice and slow.
Writing hateful, nasty characters is exactly the same concept.
I'll gut you, you little cunt!
It's a horrifying reality to be faced with a person who appeared friendly but is in fact a nasty, hateful person. It's still horror. It just hasn't been magnified and exaggerated for the horror genre. Our focus remains the same. We aim to explore the depths of their nastiness and the extent to which their behavior can horrify the audience. Just how nasty can a person be? Just when we think they cannot be any more nasty, they surprise us by doing something even worse.